ਓਕੇ। ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਸੀਗਾ। ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੇਮ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਤੇ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਡਿਸਪਲਿਨ ਆ, ਮੇਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰੂਲਸ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਵਿਗੜ ਚੁੱਕਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ। ਸੋ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਵਾਪਸ ਲੈਣ ਲਈ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਰੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਲੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਰੀਅਲ ਮਨੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਨੂੰ ਟਰਸਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ। ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜੋ ਕੀਤਾ ਹਨਾ, ਉਹ ਕੀ ਸੀਗਾ ਵੀ ਟੈਸਲਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੋਲੇਟਿਲਿਟੀ ਸੀਗੀ। ਟੈਸਲਾ ਮੂਵ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਈ, ਬਟ ਸੇਮ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਵਾਸ ਲਿਟਲ ਬਿਟ ਵੀਕ। ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਮੇਨ ਟਾਰਗੇਟ ਸੀਗਾ ਟੈਸਲਾ ਨੂੰ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਸਾਈਡ। ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਓਵਰਆਲ ਰੈਜ਼ਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਤੇ ਸੀਗਾ। ਡੇਲੀ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ, ਆਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ resistance level, and other side it was holding under, one second, it was holding under R3 multiple time, pre-market 2-3 time touch, and then this one, and I took short. But the problem, I would say, in the first trade, it had bounced from previous day high with wicks. Okay, with the wicks, and it was holding above VWAP. That was problem, I would say. It cannot be taken short at this spot. I took short and it was making wedge in the top side. I can show you here like that. Flag, bull flag or whatever. It break high and it struggled to go high. It's a three candle with the strong volume and it struggled to go there. And that was then I was like, okay, if it go low below R3 again, because they were selling too, and I was saying, okay, but this time I did it. I did little bit more room to stop loss because I choose high of the day. That was 295 something. Because if hit that 295, so I know I'm wrong. I don't want to be cut in the price so many times. So even I'm wrong or right, you don't know that because you're getting chopped in the price action. So what I did, I choose like as soon as it start crossing R3, I took the shot and put my stop loss high. And my target was a 4 hour. And I was a little worried because it was below PDC and it was below 285. That was a big ask on big bid on the L2 chart. But I say I'm not gonna touch anything. And but good thing was it has support level from a daily chart that was exactly almost same on 285 84. And it was coming good in the downside. It's showing this weakness in the price action. uh, I in one time I want to cut it, like take a little profit on PDC, but then I say okay, whatever, I will not gonna be do anything. 'Cause- yeah, but if it bounce from PDC, I may had moved my stop loss to the break even, but in this case I didn't touch anything. I just leave the trade as it is, and it give me my price, give me my target, and then go a little bit high. I can see that it go high and it came down, bounced from 284, and then go to 2 minute chart, 20 moving average, and get curled, and now it's coming down again. My target was hit. So in this case, let's say in any case, my target was somewhere here. So what should I do? I had like I'm seeing buying here. So in that case scenario, I will do just to move my stop loss to the break even. That's I can do that because that's a little bit, you're not even losing money when you know that it's coming up. Because in overall, you could see Tesla here have a big run. It's coming from almost 200 to almost coming to 300. That was a Tesla trade. I'm very happy it worked. I was very happy. I'm a little bit disciplined, and I'm doing good job. And the other trade I was looking to take, that was from Spy. So here that trade. So okay, that's not a like I say I would have make money, but as you can see that there was good setup here. So it was coming from S3, it's going high, but as you can see after this bounce, this volume to big candles, it the candles was getting small and volume was almost getting bigger. So that means it was compressing in the price action. It have a selling, it have a volume, but it's not moving much. As soon as it go to R3 and it gave little red candle, and I was thinking to go short here. That was even before Tesla trade. And then I say, oh, it maybe because it's not gonna be do the reversal because it's coming from S3 and the marking showing strength. But that was the exact signal you want to do short. Okay, well, and after maybe 2 minutes, this big candle with the big volume happened. That was, and in that candle, I think I took the Tesla shot because I see there's something big shift is when everything on resistance level, there's selling coming in. So that was my thought behind this. And this is I took a shot, but not in SPY. I took shot in Tesla. So that's it. So that was it. So that's my trade here. This is from here to here. My stop loss was here. It exactly hit my target and move higher. Now, I don't know. It's gonna go down. But if you look at the daily chart, it have run a lot. It's in R3. It's on resistance level. But overall, Tesla is strong. Is somebody buying it? So Qs are also holding on S3. Technically it should go down if there's no buying come in, but I think it's gonna be more the selling side. So whole day gonna be more little bit red. So I'm thinking to go at least 280, touch at least 280 and then bounce. Uh, that's like kind of prediction. So let's see what's gonna happen. I will count Tesla tomorrow. And other thing I was just looking the pre-market. That was the AMD. Okay, that's good trade. I didn't took anything. We can see here it was have 3 days or maybe like last 4 4 5 days. Value areas are moving high, and it was holding above S3. And problem was I can say there was a very narrow range, and it was holding here. You can see 2 minute chart and you can see 1 minute chart. It was holding above it, holding above it. So what it can say here? What it can say here? So if it was holding S3, I may can take it down, but there was a problem with that was in first minute. That was in first minute, so it was not much reliable signal. What if had happened? It's just a little bit. Just give a little bit more here, then go like that. That's more I would say it's more signal that. That's more to signal to the go along. But it's in the first minute, it's already moved. There's no much more for me to take a RVR and other things. There were PDC coming in, and the market was about to be like taking short side, and it did all thing R S3 to R4 R3, and then came down, and now it's still bouncing as with the market bouncing. So again, that trade, I was also looking for R3, but then I say, oh, maybe I know it's not a good signal. I was not reading the volume. I'm gonna more pay attention to the volume. This one here, it was moving high with the decent volume. There was no signal. There was no small candle coming in. There was just one doji came in, and and then popped up high again. And as soon as it go high, break high and drop. So that means I was lost my RVR kind of thing, but can take trade here. If I had took that trade here, it could be work. But okay, thing is take your trade at particular level. particular level when you see, even if that level broke, broke, and it's can limit, you do it. I think I'm gonna do that. I am 100% sure I will follow my rules. I will do 20 trades almost for my review and everything, then we'll see how good I am. So hopefully, again, nobody knows what's gonna happen. So this time, every time, think, and bring your mind to the trading. Bring your mind to the work. Okay, see you tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Thanks. I will open my trading account, I mean, trading channel, and I will start teaching people. That's my dream. And I will not have to work for my day job.